What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. It's time for another episode of the Rookie Card Explosion Box by Filmington, and this is volume 29. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got on the checklist this month. Go ahead and take a quick look at this. We'll also be naming off the players and stuff as we go down the list. So let's go ahead and start cracking these packs. All right. So it looks for our first pack, we're going to have 1982 Donruss. We'll be looking for Cal Ripken, Dave Stewart, and L. Smith. Trying to think of who L. Smith is. Okay, let's figure it out. Let's get her going. That'd be awesome if we pull that Cal Ripken. Wish me luck, guys. All right, here we go. Glenn Adams, Juan Eckelberger, Willie Aikens, Yankee winners. Looks like Ron Guidry and Tommy John. We've got a Diamond Kings of Roy Smalley, Rufino Linares. God, these things are terribly off center. Tom Hausman, Chet Lemon, Lance Parrish, Willie Randolph, Mark Clear, Mark Littell, Barry Bonnell, Mike Heath, and Rick Rhoden. Okay, so nothing too crazy in that pack. Next up, we got 2010 Topps Chrome. Looking for Mike Stanton and Steven Strasburg. Got an Andy Oliver rookie. Nelson Cruz, Daisuke Matsuzaka, and Jose Lopez. Wow, these cards are seen better days. 2014 Bowman draft. Looking for Rafael Devers, Eloy Jimenez, Trey Turner, Matt Chapman, Chris Bryant, Jack Flaherty, Alex Verdugo, and Michael Kopech. All right. We got a Dylan Cease first Bowman paper. Not too bad. Ryan McMahon, Andrew Morales, first Bowman. Derek Hill, Phil Irvin, Brett Martin, and Derek Fisher. All right, next pack. 2018 Topps Update Retail. Looking for Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Bieber, Torres, and Austin Meadows. See what we get. See if we can pull one of those big boys. Vizcaino, Lorenzo Cain, Marco Gonzalez, We got a 2,500th career K. Yes! Oh boy, there it is, baby. That's what we're looking for. Sweet. Wow. That's amazing. All right. And next up, we got Chipper Jones. That just made the box right there. That's amazing. All right. Ozzie Smith, Lou Gehrig, Kiner Falefa, and John Lester. Sweet. Stoked on that Acuna. Okay, next up, we got 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League. Looking for Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Luis Robert, Jared Kelenic, and there's a bunch of other great prospects in here as well, besides those guys. So let's see what we get. There's a Casey Mize right on the back. Corey Heitler, Jonathan Hernandez, Anthony Kay, Lazaro Armenteros. We got a pitching leaders, Christian Santana, Ronnie Mauricio, and Casey Mize. All right. Next pack. 2019 Topps Series 1, Acuna Cup, Soto Cup, Corbin Burns, Kyle Tucker, Ramon Laureano, Michael Kopech, and Brandon Lau. Let's see what we get. This one feels a little thick. Get a relic or something? No. Guess it just feels a little thicker. Well, there's something kind of thick in there. Let's take a look. All right, we got a Taijuan Walker. There's an Acuna Cup. All right, getting all kinds of Acunas. Sweet. Ben Zobrist. Reynaldo Lopez. Cardinals. Kyle Hendricks. David Price. Hank Aaron, that's a cool one. Wow. What a great photo. That's cool. I like that. Corbin Burns, rookie card. For some, I'm not sure why the borders looks like it's a different color. Oh, this one's numbered to 50. Okay, so I got a Corbin Burns rookie card, numbered 6 of 50. That's pretty cool. Take that. And then we got a Chris Iannetta, Adam Eaton, Mike Zunino, Shane Bieber Future Stars, and Chris Taylor. All right. Not too bad. Next up, we're looking at 2020 Topps Chrome Retail. Looking for Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Randy Arozarena, Kyle Lewis, and Dustin May. All right. We got a Colin Moran. Charlie Blackmon. And AJ Puck rookie. Not so sure how well he's pitching this season. I know the A's are doing pretty well. So let's check out our next pack here. We got 2021. Let me see. Here, maybe I'll save the Bowman for last. Let's do the Heritage, the Series 1, and then the Bowman. So we got 2021 Topps Heritage, Dylan Carlson, Brian Hayes, Joe Adele, Alec Boehm, excuse me, Christian Pache, Ryan Mountcastle, and Chisholm. Let's see what we get. Rick Porcello, Brett Anderson, Eric Thames, Max Scherzer in action, Trey Turner, another action in action, Freddie Freeman, got a Justice Sheffield, rookie stars of the Marlins, and a Jesse Winker. Okay, so nothing too great in there. Next pack, 2021 Top Series 1. Dylan Carlson, Joe Adell, Alec Boehm, Christian Pache, and Ryan Mountcastle. See if we can pull one of those guys. All right. Luis Castillo, Anthony Rizzo, Pedro Severino, Max Fried, Chris Paddock, Steven Matz, Mark Canna, Willie Calhoun. We got something flipped around here. That's supposed to be a gold card, number to 2021. Ketel Marte, gold. So that's pretty cool. I know Phil was really high on this guy a few years back. I don't know how great he's been playing recently. Ketel Marte. Chicago White Sox. Looks like some kind of celebration. Cody Hewer, rookie card. Alex Gordon, and Wade Davis. Okay, we got the gold card, so that's something. All right, so our final pack is going to be 2021 Bowman, and I believe this is out of hobby. So we'll be looking for the Austin Martin, Yoenis Cespedes, Maximo Acosta, Blaze Jordan, Perez, Sabato, and Alcantara. So let's see what we can do. It'd be nice to pull one of those Austin Martin cards. All right. We got an Anthony Rendon. We got a Mountcastle rookie. Braylon Marquez. Our autograph is a Nick Matten autograph. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow. Dang, that is sweet. What a box. This must be one of those loaded boxes that one guy had never heard of before until I saw his video, was saying that Phil's sending out loaded boxes. So I must be one of those lucky subscribers. Not complaining. All right. Behind that, we got a Tristan Casas chrome. Alec Thomas. So we actually got 3 chrome cards out of that, including the auto. Sweet. Got a Josh Young paper. Antonio Gomez, first Bowman, and Grayson Rodriguez. All right. So, hey, guys. Did pretty dang well this time. Let's do a quick little recap. All right. We got the Nick Matten first Bowman on-card autograph. We got the Mountcastle Bowman rookie card. Ketel Marte gold. AJ Puck 85 design rookie card. We got a Chris Taylor base just for the PC. This Corbin Burns sky blue number to 50. Pretty cool. Got this cool insert of Hank Aaron that'll go in my binder with my other 150-year cards I've been putting together, greatest moments. Got the Acuna Gold Cup. Got the Casey Mize Heritage Minor League. Got the Acuna Update Rookie card. And this first Bowman of Dylan Cease. So, hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. You got to let me know what you thought down in the comments. I'm super pumped. I'm going to go get these nice cards put into some plastic sleeves, and I will catch up with you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Peace.